Okay, I'd like to welcome us all back to CS-399, Computer Science Special Topics class for the summer 2. And got a quick one for us today for assignment 3. We were prompted, we're supposed to go in here and we're going to showcase the molten lava ball, which we incorporated physics as well as assets into. This used to be a sphere in our last project, and we've added, like I said, we've added some physics, added an asset, so now I know how to work with assets. I'm going to run it and examine some of the physics and what those look like. And then as well, just also demo the creation of a C# file called log for logging for our future endeavors in this project. Using the same project, it's just called Unity Hello World. So let's go ahead and dive into that. So starting right off, as you can see from this sort of main game scene, which we have in front of us here, we have a plane laid out in front of us. We have our directional light, where that's coming from. Our main camera here is just kind of floating. I wasn't really too worried about the main camera. And then naturally our sphere, which I'm going to go ahead and start off by just looking at the sphere itself. I'm going to go ahead and select it. So on this sphere, we're using this stylized lava asset, which if we come into here, double click there, double click here in lava 1. A lot of people, I'm sure, probably use the molten lava. I liked the look and style of the hardened lava. That's just me. No need to be particular or anything though. Do what you feel. Anyway, I applied this asset just through the Unity Asset Store. It was very simple, very easy. Just accept the terms, download, import, very quick. And just simple drag and drop. It was all it took. And that is something that's very nice about working within Unity, is all the drag and dropping that we can do. So anyway, we're going to back out of this. We're going to go back to our assets here and look at our plane here. Which, as you can see, they're highlighted in orange. Got our selector tool with it. I'm not going to really highlight that too much because it's just simply a plane for our lava ball to hit and collide with. So let's go ahead and examine what this looks like whenever we are colliding with this plane. Let me go ahead. I did tamper with the bounciness. Yeah, see, I still had maximum here on my bounce combined with my bounce physic material. Just going to make this average again so that we don't have a continuously bouncing ball. All right, that's good. That's good. Going to go ahead and Control P this and run the program. And there we go. From my camera's view, got a bouncy little ball bouncing off of a plane. Can do the same thing with a bouncy plane in non-bouncy ball, which I think is very interesting, very useful little technique. But I'm going to go ahead back out of the project here now that we've highlighted the physics, understanding the assets. I'm going to go ahead and real quick just showcase real quick our log here. I'm going to try and let me see here. All right, here we go. Simply just added this C# file log by adding components, new script, named it, create and add. It was just that simple. And then I'm going to go ahead and double click there. We're opening now Visual Studio. Visual Studio is opening. And as you can see, we have our start stub as well as our update stub. These are also called methods. And this even actually calls it already here. Start is called before the first frame update, and update is called once per frame, naturally, because it has to update the frame. So that's about it. This is all we have for assignment 3. And going to go ahead and sign off here. And thank you for watching.